Alright guys, I am really excited. I just got my ladies first chicken door opener. This is the new and improved. Very similar to the old one, but the new one here has newer electronics in it, but same basic principle. And we're going to install that on my chicken coop, and the old one I'm going to put on my chicken tractor later. Alright, so we are going to install this on my chicken coop. I'm going to go through some of the features real quick with you. It's not any different really than the old chicken door opener. The electronics was changed. It's got a new circuit board on the inside. Some of the functions for the open and close is a little different. But it's mechanically it's the same unit, same motor, same screw drive, solar panel, all that stuff. Battery operated and solar powered. So basically just the circuit board has been changed. So let me go through some of the stuff with you, and then we're going to install it. Alright guys, so when you get your chicken door opener, you're going to get your instructions. It comes padded really nice with these foam pads around the edges here, so it doesn't get banged up in shipping. And you get a box here, and in your box you get some wires and zip ties and clips and things like that. You have an override switch here, and this override switch allows you to manually close it when you want, leave it on auto, or open it when you want. Okay, so and then inside here you get your solar panel with about 15 feet of cable. And you get 4 Energizer batteries, rechargeables, okay? And the door itself here, get this off. And this is the door here. So what we're going to do, we got some tape here. Alright, take that off. Now the old one has a screw, this has a little nail. So if I pull that nail out, oh, we got a piece of tape here too. Okay, let me take this off first. And one more on this side. It's all to keep it safe during shipping. You don't want this door to be this thing to be sliding around while it's being shipped. All right. Now I got the tape out of the way. Alright, so there's a little hole here where this nail goes in, and it holds this up. Take that out, and this slides open. Okay, and you can see here it's a screw drive. You get your motor, screw drive, and the door is actually connected right here. And as this is spinning, your door goes up and down. Alright. This is where you put your batteries in. Now this circuit board I can see right now is different than the old one. The old one was much smaller, about half the size of this one. And over here you're going to have a hole right here. This is where you put your wires in from the solar panel and from the override switch, and connect them to the board. And we're going to go through that in a minute. Alright, so here is where you would connect your override switch. You would just plug it in here. This is where you would connect your solar panel. And here you have a switch also. It says close, auto, and open. You'd want this on auto during normal function. You have here a limit switch, so when as the door is raising here, it'll hit the limit switch and it'll stop when it's fully open. Here we have another type of switch. That is for in the event that something gets stuck in an obstruction gets stuck in the doorway, your chicken gets stuck in there. What will happen is, as it's coming down, it'll push on the obstruction and the whole unit will raise and it'll shut off, stop the door from operating. So that's a good safety feature right there. I like that. All right, guys, so that is very cool. A nice little safety feature for that switch there. Something, as the door's coming down and it hits something, it pushes, as it's traveling, it'll push the whole unit, the whole screw bar up and trigger the switch and it'll stop. And then when the obstruction is out of there, the door automatically drops because of its own weight and the switch opens up again and the door continues. Very cool. All right, guys, so let's go install this and let's see how it works. All right, guys, so the first thing I have to do is take off my old door. Obviously, if you don't have a door yet, you got to make an opening here, and it's 10.5 inches by 12. All right. My chickens are not that happy right now. So let's unplug everything. Just take the battery out. Good caulking. All right, guys, so you can see up here at the top I have my solar panel connected there, and the wire goes into the coop. And out here I have the switch, the override switch. It's auto, close, and open. And I put it inside this little housing here. You can pick these up at any hardware or big box store. And what I did is I just put a little screw on the top here and to hold it up. And that wire goes into the coop also. All right. So I have both wires from the solar panel and the override switch that come out here, and they will be plugged into the door opener. All right, guys, so you get 4 screws to mount this right onto your chicken coop. The opening here that you need to make is 10.5 by 12, because that's the opening that's going to be here. And let's mount that right now. Now, I want the bottom of this to be flush with the bottom of your door here. Nice. All right, guys, so the next step we're going to do is take this nail off the top, slide the cover down, And what we want is to start feeding through the wire for your solar panel. We'll get that plugged in. And the next one you want to feed through is for the override. We're going to put our batteries in. Alright guys, so once I put the battery in, this automatically started going down. It is on auto right now, so it should go up. So we're going to play with the switch a little bit and put it on off, or put it on close and open and auto, and it should correct itself. Okay. So open, it's opening. Auto, it's opening, of course, because it's daytime. And now it's reversing itself. Put it back on auto, and it's going up. So we are set. Works great. Alright guys, it looks like it works really good. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you here. Alright guys, one more thing here. Here we have a close set button and an open set button. Now these are preset and you shouldn't have to do anything with them. But if you want the doors to change at a different time, you can change that here. So for instance, if I want the door to close a little later, I would wait till the chickens get in to the coop, wait an extra 10 or 15 minutes, and then push the close set button. That way every day at that light level, this door will close. Because that's how the chickens work. They work by light level, obviously, not by time. The open set button, you really shouldn't have to do nothing with, because once light hits that solar panel, it'll tell the door to open. Alright guys, that is it. It's that simple. We're going to close this up now, put the nail back in there like that, and they have their brand new door. Alright guys, now I'm going to test the door as it's closing. If something were to block it, and it automatically stops. And then when the obstruction's gone, it continues on. Good safety feature. It will not hurt the birds at all. Nothing. Works good. I'll even put my finger there. Works good. All the information on this Ladies First chicken door, I'm going to put it in the description below the video. All their contact information, pricing is all on their website. Go to the website and check it out, and you can order right from there. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.